Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. Oh, my poor dolly is sick.
Oh, don't worry, Polly, she'll be fine.
Come on, doctor, I want her to get well.
She's gonna get well.
Come on, dolly, come on. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said,
Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Wrap her up warm and keep her still. I'll be back in the morning with the bill, bill, bill.